there.
Attention visitors, for safe recovery to Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes. Para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro del taxi.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, Googly Bear!
We gotta get you home.
Chicken. I thought were not my own. And it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid! A human kid! Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Think I'll get in charge of it. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
All units, be on the lookout for this child.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done here, too?
Race you to the scare floor.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
But
I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.